Okay, class. So we are going to discuss the performance of boilers. No? So we are going to analyze the performance of boilers. So we have here a simple schematic diagram of the boiler. So papasok ang feed water or yung tubig, no? Then lalabas yung steam, no? So from liquid to vapor, okay? Then that furnace naman, so hindi tayo magkakaroon ng combustion without air and fuel, no? Okay, so papasok ang air and then of course the fuel. Okay. So for comparing the capacity of boilers working at different pressures, temperatures, different final steam conditions, etc., a parameter called equivalent evaporation can be used. So ano ba yung equivalent evaporation? That is the mass of steam generated per hour, okay, multiplied by heat supplied to generate in steam boiler, divided by the heat for steam generation at 100 degrees Celsius from water at, okay, so that is equal to the latent heat, no, of water at 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so if we write that into equation, okay, so wala dito. So we are going to write na lang yung equation. Okay. Okay, yan. So let's say we have here a boiler. Okay. So papasok si feed water. So we have the mass flow rate of feed water. Okay. Then enthalpy ng feed water. Then we have QA, no? Okay. QA, heat addition. Then we have the mass flow rate of steam and then the enthalpy of steam. So the equivalent evaporation, that is equal to yan, mass flow rate of steam generated, okay, per hour, and then heat supplied, okay, that is equal to the mass flow rate of steam multiplied by the QA, no, divided by, ito daw yung anong sabi sa baba, yan, no, latent heat daw, okay, of water. Okay, that is equal to the HFG, no? HFG, kasi yan yung latent heat, no? So at 100 degree Celsius, or pwede rin maging ganito, mass flow rate of steam, then ang QA natin dyan, that is equal to, ito na yun. Sorry, mali to. Tanggalin na natin yan. Diretso na natin dito. Is equal to enthalpy ng steam less enthalpy ng feed water. Okay? So, HS less HFW divided by, okay, that is 2257, no? Kasi at 100 degrees Celsius, no? Ang HFG dyan is equal to 2257 kilojoules per kilogram. So we can find that in steam table. So that is the formula for equivalent evaporation. Okay, next. Ayan. Okay, or that is equal to MSFE. Okay, so ano ba kasi yung FE? FE is equal to Fe. Okay, ito. So, this is also equal to ms Fe, no? Okay? So, kasi ang Fe dyan, that is equal to the enthalpy of steam less the enthalpy of feed water divided by 2257, no? Okay, that is the factor of evaporation. Okay? Actually, class, pwedeng palitan ito ng mass flow rate ng water since they are equal naman, no? But there are times na meron kasing blowdown dito, nagkakaroon ng blowdown dito, so maiiba yung formula, no? Anyway, later on meron tayong example para dyan. Okay? In this case, parehas yan. And then, equivalent specific evaporation, okay, that is equal to mass flow rate ng steam divided by the mass flow rate ng fuel times the factor of evaporation, or that's equal to PE over MF. Okay? Mass flow rate ng fuel yung MF diyan. Okay? Factor evaporation, ayon, nilagay ko na kanina. Okay, yan. So for English, in English, that is equal to 970.3, no, BTU per pound. In terms of kilocalories naman, that is 539 kilocalories per kilogram. Yan. Okay. So, ASME. Okay. Or that is, ano ba ang ASME ulit? Limutan ko na ang ASME. American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Okay. That is equal to MS. So, yung nasa taas, no? Balikan natin to. So, ASME pala yung nasa taas. Ito. So, this is ASME. And then, rated boiler horsepower. That is equal to the total heating surface divided by K, no? Wherein K is equal to 12 square foot, or that is equal to 1.1 square meter for the fire tube, and then 10 or 0.91 square meter for water tube, no? Okay? So, yan. Mas maliit yung K for water tube kasi actually that is mas efficient, no? More efficient kasi yung water tube compare dun sa fire tube. Okay? So, or para mas ma-explain, may paliwanag natin diyan, okay? So, meron tayong kasi tinatawag na develop boiler horsepower, no? Okay? So, later on siguro, baka mamaya sa mga slides na yan. So, let's say for 1, no? 1. Okay. Then, develop boiler horsepower. This is for fire tube and then water tube, no? Assuming na they are generating the same capacity, no? So, they are generating the same amount of steam, no? Yan, okay? Ngayon, for water tube, for fire tube, for you to generate 1 boiler horsepower, no? Okay. You should require a heating surface that is equal to ano na yan, 1.1, no? And then yan. This is heating surface 0.91. Okay? Kaya sinabi ko na mas efficient si water tube. Kasi mas maliit yung kailangan mong area, heating surface area, para makapag-produce ka ng 1 horsepower, no? Okay? Develop boiler horsepower, no? 1 boiler horsepower. Mas malaki naman kay fire tube. So, generally, from this idea, no, we can say here na, no, mas malaki yung area na kakailanganin ng fire tube compared natin kay water tube. Yung surface area or yung area mismo na paglalagyan mo ng boiler. So let's say for fire tube, let's say 1 room yung fire tube, isang room yung fire tube. For water tube is lesser. Okay. So anyway, meron namang explanation niyan, no, ng the differences of the fire tube and water tube, meron yan. Okay? So nasa ano yan, sa YouTube channel natin. Okay? So yun yung, bakit yan na? Yung rated boiler horsepower. Okay? Heating surface divided by K. Then, develop boiler horsepower. Okay, ito siya. So, ASME divided by C. Ano ba yung C? Ayan, no? C, that is equal to 33475 BTU per hour. Okay. And then, 35322 kilojoules per hour. Okay, yan. Okay. So, if your boiler is generating, let's say, for example, 35322 kilojoules per hour, ibig sabihin yan, yung boiler mo is 1 boiler horsepower na yan. Okay? So, pwede naman natin gamitin yung 9.81, no? 9.81. Nalintalit tayo dito. Pwede rin naman yung develop boiler horsepower that is equal to mass flow rate of steam HS less H feed water divided by 9.81. Okay, palitan mo ng 10.81 yung 35322 provided na yung mass flow rate ng steam mo ay naka-kilogram per second, no? Okay? Hindi siya gravity, nagkataon lang na parehas yan. Ito. Okay, yung C dyan. Dito, yung MS natin dito is kilojoules per hour, yung MS natin dyan. Okay? Kung naging kilogram per second dyan, palitan mo na yung C mo ng 9.81. Alin siya. Then the percent rating developed, that is equal to the developed divided by the rated boiler horsepower. Okay? So we have an example here. A fuel of QH 6888 kilocalorie per kilogram was burned in the furnace of a 223 square meter water tube boiler, which was generating 5443 kilogram per hour. Okay? Of steam at 1.38 megapascal, dry and saturated, no? Okay. From 109 degrees Celsius feed water. At a time when the fuel consumption was 612 kilogram per hour. Find the kilocalorie rating and percent rating, and B, calculate the overall efficiency. Okay, so, yan. Delete na nga lang natin yung mga ano dito para hindi masyadong madami. Yan, okay na. So let us draw the schematic diagram para mas madali nating i-solve. Okay, yan. Let's say, papasok dito si feed water, no? Okay, accordingly, yung temperature ng feed water natin dito is equal to 109 degrees Celsius. Then the pressure of the steam is, okay, QH pa pala muna. So mass flow rate ng fuel papasok dito, wherein QH is given, that is 6888, no? Kilocalorie per kilogram. So pasensya na ko sa sulat, medyo tabingi, no? Ewan ko kung anong problema dito sa pagsusulatan ko. Then heating surface. Isulat natin dito. Ano lang. 223 meter square. Okay, the mass flow rate of the steam is 5443 kilogram per hour. The pressure is equal to 1.38 megapascal. Okay. So, yung condition dito pala is dry and saturated, no? Then the mass flow rate of fuel is 612 kilogram per hour, no? Okay, so yan, kompleto na. So, we are going to find for A, the kilocalorie rating. Maybe this is ASME. Okay. ASME, no? ASME evaporation units. Okay, in kilocalorie per hour. Okay. So, and then letter B, percent rating. Percent rating pa pala dito. And percent rating. Ito naman is the overall efficiency, no? Okay. Overall efficiency. Okay, so let us find the property muna. So at 109 degrees Celsius, no? So the enthalpy of the feed water. So assuming that the what's this? The condition of feed water is saturated liquid. So the enthalpy is equal to 457.06, no? Kilojoules per kilogram. So using steam table. So what else? Ito pa. So at 1.38 megapascal and X is equal to 1, no? Ibig sabihin niyan 100% siya. Dry and saturated daw sabi niya. So X is equal to 1, no? So the enthalpy of steam is equal to 2789.6. Actually, it is equal to Hg, no? At 1.38 megapascal. Yan. Okay, what else? Ano pa ba? Okay, so wala na. Wala nang kailangang hanapin na properties. Okay, the rest is given naman na. Okay. Yan. So, ASME, no? Evaporation units, tanggalin na natin yung ASME, evaporation units na lang. That is equal to mass flow rate ng steam multiplied by enthalpy ng steam less its FW, no? Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin, yung units ng enthalpies natin dito ay naka-kilojoule, no? Ito, kilojoule yan. Naka-kilojoule yan. Okay? Then, ito, naka-kilojoule din. So, we are going to divide it by 4.187, okay, para ma-convert, no? Kasi 1 kilocalorie, that is equal to 4.187 kilojoules, no? Yan yung conversion, kaya dinivide natin yan. Okay, so this is equal to 5443 and then 2789.6 less 457.06. Okay, divided by 4.187. So the evaporation units in kilocalorie per hour is 30.32246 per hour. Okay. Yan. Next, about the percent rating. Percent rating is equal to, ano na ulit ang percent rating? That is equal to the developed boiler horsepower divided by the rated boiler horsepower. Okay. So, ano ba yung develop muna? Develop boiler horsepower, that is equal to mass flow rate ng steam, HS less HF, W divided by, ano na to? 35322. Okay, 35322. Okay. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given dito. Ito, yan. Okay naman na yan. So, yung lalabas dyan ay 359.44, no? The next, the rated boiler horsepower. That is equal to, ano na ulit to kanina? Heating surface divided by K, no? So, this is water tube. Wala namang sinabi kung anong, ayun, water tube. Sinabi naman pala na water tube. So, heating surface is 223. Then, 0.91 ang K for water tube. So, the rated boiler horsepower is equal to 146. Times 100 pala natin to. Para maging percent, no? 0.68. Yan. Okay. Uy. Sorry. Di Rated boiler horsepower. Is equal to 245.05. And then the percent rating now, this is equal to 359.44 divided by 245.05, then 100%. Ito pala yung percent rating natin na 146.68. Okay. Percent. Yan, yung percent rating, no? Okay. Next, for letter B, the overall efficiency, no? The efficiency that is equal to the heat added, heat absorbed pala by the water divided by heat supplied, no? Okay, saan ba nanggagaling yung supply ng heat? Sa fuel, syempre. So, that is equal to the mass flow rate ng steam, HS less HFW, divided by mass flow rate ng fuel times QH, no? Okay? Or, ito ay parehas sa evaporation units divided by mass flow rate ng fuel QH. So, since yung QH natin dito is naka-kilocalorie per kilogram, no? So, we can use yung nakuha nating EU kanina. Okay, so dito na lang natin sa taas ilagay. So, the overall efficiency, ano ba yung ano kanina? Ayun, yung kilocalorie rating kanina, 303.2246, no? Divided by, yung mass flow rate ng fuel is 612. Then, the QH is 6888. Okay, so, the overall efficiency is equal to 71.93%. Okay. Yan. So, basic, no? Madali lang ang boilers. Okay. Next, number 2. A steam generating unit produces steam at the rate of 10 kg per second at 5 megapascal, 450 degrees Celsius, which is continuously blown down. O, merong blow down daw, sinasabi niya, no? At 0.25 kg per second. So, feed water leaves the economizer at 100 degrees Celsius. Or ito na rin yung papasok doon sa boiler, no? Kung maalala ninyo yung lecture videos natin about sa introduction ng steam power plant, yung economizer on dyan. Coal with a heating value of 42,000 kilojoules per kilogram as fired is burned at the rate of 1 kilogram per second. What is the overall efficiency of the boiler? Okay, so drawing natin. So this is for number 2. Ito yung boiler, meron daw blow down. Okay, dito yung steam, and dito yung tubig, no? Saturated liquid. Okay, so yung mass flow rate daw ng blow down is 0.25 kg per second, no? And then yung pumapasok naman na feed water is wala, no? Okay, yung lumalabas na steam, meron 10 kg per second, no? Okay, what else? Yung property is 5 megapascal ito. And then yung kanyang temperature ay 450 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then temperature ng sir, tabangin sir. Nakalukat sir. Temperature of the feed water is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, no? Okay. Then meron tayong ano dito, fuel. The mass flow rate of fuel is equal to 1 kg per second. Then yung QH niya is 42,000 kilojoules per kilogram. Okay? And then, what else? Wala na. So, yung efficiency ng boiler lang naman ang hinahanap, no? Okay? So, hanapin muna natin yung mga properties, no? The properties are 9 natin yung enthalpy ng steam. So, at 5 megapascal and 450 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy of the steam, so using steam table, that is equal to 3316.2 kilojoules per kilogram, no? So yung steam table na ginagamit kasi natin, ang unit nun ay kilojoules per kilogram, kaya wag na natin isulat. What else? Okay. So at dito. So 5 megapascal, okay? So at 5 megapascal and 100 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy of the fed water is equal to 422.72, no? Okay? So kung ano kasi yung pressure dito, no? So 5 megapascal yung pressure ng boiler natin, yun na rin yung pressure dito. Kaya lang yung ginawa natin kanina sa first problem, inisum natin na this is saturated, no? Okay? Pwede rin naman ganun ang gawin natin. Kung babalikan natin yung first problem kanina, kung ano yung pressure mo dito, yun na rin yung pressure dito, okay? Pwede rin naman yun. Ano ba yung pressure kanina? 1.38 megapascal. So, pwede naman ganitong gawin mo. So, at 1.38 megapascal and 109 degrees Celsius, and then, dun mo mahanap yung enthalpy ng feed water, no? Okay? Anyway, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo kapag 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius kasi class, ay kung hindi ako nagkakamali, this is maybe for 1.8, no? For 418 or 419, no? Kilojoules per kilogram. Okay? Kaya okay lang na ganyan yung gagawin natin. Hindi naman sila nagkakalayo. Okay? What else? Ito pala, yung enthalpy pa pala ng blowdown, no? So since yung lumalabas dito na tubig, take note class, yung nasa loob ng boiler na yan, no? That is also that is actually combination of saturated vapor and then saturated liquid yung nasa baba. So ibig sabihin niyan, saturated liquid itong yan. Okay? Dito class, superheated na yan. Hindi ko lang nilagay yung ano dito, yung superheater. Lagay na lang natin yung superheater dito. Yan, superheater yan. Meron tayong superheater dito. Kaya naging superheated yan, no? Pero usually hindi ko na nilalagay yan, no. Anyway, nasa problem naman yan sinasabi. But sabi ko nga, ulitin ko, sa boiler, that is a combination of saturated liquid and saturated vapor. So, ibig sabihin yan, at 5 megapascal, no? And X is equal to 0. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng X is equal to 0? Saturated liquid yan, no? So, ang enthalpy ng blowdown is equal to 1154.23. Or this is equal to the HF at 5 megapascal. Okay, so yan, kompleto na. So, by energy balance, no? So, energy in is equal to energy out. Okay, ano ba yung pumasok na energy ito? Yung heat supplied, no? So, mass flow rate ng fuel and then QH ng fuel multiplied by yung kanyang efficiency, no? Efficiency ng boiler natin. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng heat nang galing kay fuel ay nako-convert, no? Or na-absorb ng tawag dito, ng water para maging steam, no? Kaya meron tayong efficiency diyan, okay? Plus meron pang isang pumasok ito, oh. Kitang-kita naman yung arrow, entering. Palabas yung isa, okay? So plus mass flow rate ng feed water natin, then enthalpy ng feed water is equal dun sa lumabas. Ano yung lumabas? Unahin natin yung blowdown. Mass flow rate ng blowdown, enthalpy ng blowdown, plus, ayun, mass flow rate ng steam, enthalpy ng steam. Okay? This is 1, no? QH, 42,000 times overall efficiency plus feed water is, kapag mag-mass balance tayo diyan, okay, mass balance. Mass in is equal to mass out. Ano yung pumasok? Mass flow rate ng feed water. Ano yung lumabas? Mass flow rate ng blowdown. Tsaka mass flow rate ng steam, no? Okay? For ano lang to? For mass balance ng for water only, no? Okay? Hindi naman kasali yung ano dito, yung fuel, kasi hindi naman naihahalo yung fuel dun sa water eh. Yan. So yan. Okay? That is sum. Ibig sabihin yan, ito ay 10.25, no? So 10 plus 0.25. 0.25 and then 1154.23. Bakit parang napakalaki? Tama lang. Okay, plus 10 and then 3316.2. So using calculator, subsolve lang yan. The overall efficiency is equal to 69.33%. Okay? Yan. So that is for number 2. Okay? Number 3. A boiler having a pressure of 10 bars, or that is equal to 1 megapascal, no? Okay. Generates 2,100 kilogram dry and saturated steam per hour. Okay, dry and saturated daw. If feed water is heated by an economizer to a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius. Coal is consumed at 208 kilograms and kilogram per hour dapat yun, no? And calorific value of coal is 30,200 kilojoules per kilogram. If 12% of coal remains unburnt, no? Unburnt. Determine the thermal efficiency of the boiler. And thermal efficiency of boiler. Bakit na ulit? Okay, and then B, thermal efficiency of boiler and grate combined. Okay. So, tayo ulit. Drawing natin dito. Ayan. So, grate. Drawing natin yung grate, no? Ito yung grate. Parang conveyor, no? Conveyor. Sabihin na lang conveyor yan. Ayan. Ito yung, okay. Dito po nga pasok yung fuel, no? Ayan. Okay, and then nandito yung, let's say for example, dito yung apoy. So, pressure, 1 megapascal. Okay, yung lalabas dito is dry and saturated, 2100. Mass flow rate ng steam. Kilogram per hour, dry and saturated, no? Feed water. Baliktad yung araw. Temperature is 105 degrees Celsius. Then, yung fuel natin, 208 kilograms per hour. Then, QH is 30,200 kilojoules per kilogram. Then, accordingly, 12% daw yung ano, or the efficiency of the grate is equal to 88%, no? Kasi 12%, no? Yung hindi daw nasusunog. Okay? So, letter A, thermal efficiency of boiler. Okay. So, ganito lang yan. Letter A. Yung properties pa pala, no? Properties. So, HS, diretso na natin dito. At 1 megapascal and dry saturated, no? Or X is equal to 1. Ang enthalpy ng steam is 2778.1. How about here, no? So, at 105 degrees Celsius, check na natin using internet. Bakit ganyan? Damdag tayo. Steam table. Tingnan natin. Units SI bar. Temperature 105 degrees Celsius. Calculate. For 0, no? 0.2, no? Okay, saturated water. Okay, kapag ilagay natin yung ano dito. Okay, saturated. Okay. If we compare it with temperature and pressure. Yun. Tingnan natin kung parehas. Superheated naman yan. Saturated naman yun. Ito kaya. Anyway, sulat na natin dito. Ano na yan kanina. Yung HF. 440.2 kanina to, no? Okay. Let's go back here. Pressure. Nakabar ito. 10. Temperature, 105. Then, calculate. Check natin kung parehas. Calculate, ano yung enthalpy? O, yun, no? Mas mataas ng konti. Anyway, yun na lang. Sundin na lang natin, no? 440.86 dito. Malit lang yung difference, no? Okay. So, yan. So, letter A, no? Letter A na tayo. Efficiency ng boiler. Efficiency ng boiler, that is equal to mass flow rate ng steam, enthalpy ng steam less enthalpy ng feed water divided by mass flow rate ng fuel. Okay? Times efficiency ng grate. Okay? Times QH. Ganyan lang siya, class, no? Kasi sabi ko nga, ang boiler natin, hindi naman kasali dyan yung grate, no? Hindi naman kasali to. Kaya kung ano lang yung pumupunta dun sa boiler, yun lang yung ilalagay natin na mass flow rate. Okay, so this is equal to, kung ilalagay natin yung mass flow rate ng steam, 2100, yan, nalagay natin yan. Ito is 88, and then QH, yan. So yung lalabas, para mabilis, no? Kasi kulang na yung space. So yung lalabas dito is 88.82%, no? Okay. Now class, kapag ano naman, yung letter B, combined efficiency, no? Or that is equal to the efficiency ng boiler. Yung whole na yan, no? Yung whole na yan, kasali na yan yung, this is the whole, no? Yan, whole. Kasali na yung grade. I-multiply lang natin ito ng 88. Try nga natin kung parehas. $78.6 ton. Ano? This is equal to efficiency ng boiler times efficiency ng grate. Ganyan lang yan eh. 88.82 multiplied by 0.88. That is 78.16%. Or pwede naman tayong mag-energy balance. Pwede rin lang naman yun, no? So, mass flow rate ng fuel times QH times efficiency ng combined. Ganun lang yan. Energy balance. Ano yun yung pumasok? Plus, ano pa yung isang pumasok ito? Mass flow rate ng feed water is 2100. Parehas lang yan. Okay, times yung enthalpy, 440.2. Lumabas. Isa lang naman yung lumabas, no? Yun lang naman. 21 is equal to, equal yan, equal. 2100 times 2778, no? Bakit ilagay mo na yan? Meron na pala yan. Meron na rin yan. Okay? Yung lalabas is dapat parehas to, no? Parehas lang naman, no? 78.16%, no? Okay? So, yan. So, our topic for today is, ayan, dyan nagtatapos, no? Next meeting ulit. Okay? Nawala naman na yung ano. Yan, stop na natin.